Hi, I'm Kris Lomedico. I work at the Point Roberts Library. And what have I been doing during time off? I have made necklaces. Lots and lots of necklaces. So I went on to the WCLS website in their digital content and I found CreativeBug. It has any kind of necklace that you would want to make and tutorials to do it. This one was inspired by a picture of silhouettes of flamingos on a pink and purple sunset. I used black tourmaline and other pink and purple beads, some amethysts, and it just kept getting bigger and bigger. I like to use semi-precious stones and glass beads. So the semi-precious stones give off really good vibes and make you feel better, give you good luck, keep you protected. So don't forget, it's WCLS.org, Digital Services, CreativeBug. Have fun.